Good morning guys. Another day, another vlog. So today I'm going to continue painting the doors because yesterday guys I did started painting the master bathroom door and then the water heater closet, pantry doors, and the closet in our middle room. So I started painting and then I ran out of paint. And then guys, I completely finished the master bathroom door and the water heater closet. So it's completely finished before I ran out of paint. So my husband, after his work yesterday, he buy more gallon of paint. So today I'm going to continue painting the doors. So guys, I have video while I'm painting the doors yesterday, and then I did paint the hinges as well. So I painted black. Guys, today I'm going to paint the door frame. So this is the door from our bathroom. And then guys, I'm going to touch up the doors that need to be touched up. Here is nothing. Here. Yeah. I'm going to touch up that. This one as well. And then guys, I'm going to paint this door as well. And if I have time, I'm going to paint some of the door trim. So guys, I already started painting. So this is the door for our middle room closet. And that one is for our master bathroom. And this one is for our water heater. And then here, this one is for our pantry. And there's more there. So more to go. So see you later guys. So guys, first coat is done. So this one, there, and here as well. So that's the first coat. And then I'm going to start applying the second coat right now. So see you later. So guys, I already applied second coat. So that's all done. Second coat is done. And here as well. And then guys, I'm going to flip these doors and put first coat in the other side. So see you later. And so I'm going to spray paint the screw. So turn left. So this is done guys, as you can see. So this is the before guys, and then we're going to, it's already black. And then guys, I'm going to paint the hinges. So this hinges is for our water heater. I wasn't planning to paint the water heater door, but I decided to paint anyway. So the hinges I'm going to paint. So it's black. Ready! Get set! So this metal, guys, is for our closet, and this one is for our pantry, the short one. Before I start painting the rest of the doors, I'm going to install the doorknob in our master bathroom and the water heater closet. So that's what we're going to do. And then yesterday, my husband tried to set up the smart garage control, and then it's not working, guys. The smart garage control doesn't connect to his phone. So we're going to return it at Home Depot, and then we'll buy a new one. So that's our plan. So no further ado, guys, let's go install the doorknob so we can finish early. So guys, let's go install the doorknob. So we need drill, the powerful drill. So this is our drill, and then we need scissor to open the doorknob like this. And then we're going to get doorknob. It's in the closet, so it's on our way. It's very easy to install the doorknob. We get 2 doorknob. So guys, our master bathroom, it's not done yet. So I still need to remove the wallpaper and I will paint the wall. But for now, we're going to finish the doors, the door trim, and the baseboard first. And then I will start working with our master bathroom. So this is the latch, guys. Kagwapa sa handi mo man, no? Feeling, no? Feeling. So this one should be like that. So guys, I already installed the latch. So right now, going to install this one. And let's put the machine screw. So we need the machine screw here. First screw is done, so we're going to put the other one. Put here, shoot ball, ang ball. It's easy to put the screw if you hold down the handle. So just put like that and do the screw. So guys, I already installed the doorknob in our master bathroom. And then right now, I'm going to install the doorknob in our water heater closet. So let's go. So guys, this is the water heater closet. So this is the existing door. I just painted. And yeah, it looks nice. So we're going to install the doorknob in here, so we can finish our project. It's done, guys. Guys, done installing the doorknob. So I'm going to continue painting the doors. So guys, this is I'm going to paint today. So this is for our pantry and the closet door. So I'm going to start painting. So guys, I already paint the doors. So I did apply second coat and it's all done. I just let it dry completely and then maybe tomorrow I'm going to install it. Good evening guys! So it's already 10 p.m. So after I paint all the doors, I did make dinner. So I made cheesy broccoli soup, and then we eat it with bread and butter. So yeah, right now I'm editing my video. So it's already 10 p.m. so maybe 10:30 we're going to sleep because my husband has work tomorrow. So, I don't have anything to do anymore. So guys, I'm going to close this vlog. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye! And then guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and have a good night. Bye!